In this video, you're gonna practice text before and text after, which are methods of splitting. And I want you to practice this along with me. So look down below this YouTube video in the description and you'll see a link to download this for free. Okay, let me give you some context about the project and then we'll get into the actual text before and text after functions. Recently, I was working on a project that looked like this, where I had, a bunch of data. I had things like ID numbers, I had country codes, and I wanted to find country names. And I was going to fill them in with good old lookup formulas, which are beyond the scope of this video, but with like a V, H, X, or index match to fill them in. I needed to find a list of the codes and the names. I went to like good old Copilot and I just asked it. I was like, hey, this is what I need. I need country names, I need country codes, and within seconds, it gave me the list. I tried copying it, and it gave me like all this mess stuff. Afghanistan, space, pipe, space, AF. And a lot of times people are like, and like just type it in by hand, etc. I don't have time to do that for like 50 bajillion countries and codes. That's where splitting formulas come to the rescue. There's different types of splitting. This is not an exhaustive list. These are just the ones that are the most related. I tried to put some notes here just as like a quick cheat sheet for you about the versions, pros and cons. There's text to columns available in all the versions. It's buttons. It's a wizard. It's great unless you are using uppercase T Excel tables. It has to be done manually. I don't love this. That means future Anne has to spend more time doing it over and over and over. TextSplit, amazing, but it's not in all the versions of Excel. It doesn't work with tables. It spills into nearby cells, which can be a tricky thing to work around. So enter text before and text after, which we're focusing on today. They've been around for a while, so a lot of your coworkers and colleagues that you share files with probably have them at this point. They are formulas, which means future you can easily replicate this, and they don't spill, which is amazing. Okay, let's get into the how-tos. I'll zoom way in. I'll demo, and then remember, you should download this spreadsheet and try it yourself. The goal is to have country name, and then over here, in a separate column, the country code. Text before is gonna grab this whole cell, that whole text, comma, the delimiter, what is it that separates it? Well, it's a pipe, which is, on my keyboard, it's between backspace and enter is what that little symbol is. Now, A3 is a cell reference. You can see the color codes. It's like a specific location. So I don't need any quotes around it, but the pipe is not a cell reference. So I have to surround it with the double quotes because it's like things I'm selecting off of my keyboard, okay? So this is gonna grab everything before the pipe. Country code comes after, okay? Text after. I wanna split out this cell that's all smushed together. And the delimiter is the pipe, which again goes inside double quotes, as you know. Okay, so you get Afghanistan, AF, and then you can fill these all the way down and they work for you. Okay, one thing I am curious about though, remember how it's like Afghanistan, space. I feel like to really sleep well at night, I would probably want to trim off the extra spaces off both of these just to be extra sure. I'm probably going to onion layer them, nest them inside a trim. Then I can know they're completely perfect. Have fun playing around with text before and text after. I love these time savers and I hope you do too.